Ensure your truck stays in four-wheel drive when you need it most. The factory automatic locking hubs on your Ford truck or SUV can be prone to failure. Brittle dials on factory locking hubs often break or crack and can lead the entire hub to malfunction or to stop working altogether. Replace the old broken locking hubs on your truck with the Dorman automatic locking hub assembly. Constructed with a 40% stronger shift dial, high-quality bearing, and improved design, this high-quality replacement will keep your truck locked in four-wheel drive consistently and reliably when you need it most. The Dorman automatic locking hub assembly is a rigorously tested direct fit replacement that's as easy to use as it is to install. Let's head over to the lift, get out the tools, and show you how to get these installed on your truck.
I'm going to put the locking hub in next. I put a little grease around the O-ring, light around the splines, and a little bit on the internal splines there. Just take it, I'll line everything up. You're going to have to wiggle it around a little bit, but it should go in fairly simple. And just push that snap ring or locking ring in. There we go. And just going to continue by putting the rotor back on. I like to take a lug nut or two, bring them all the way down. Just kind of hold that nice and straight. Just give it a quick spin. Make sure we're not hitting dust shields. Nothing's bent. And then we could actually put the caliper and bracket on.
Keep your truck locked in when you need four-wheel drive with the Dorman automatic locking hub assembly. Find out more and get the parts you need for your truck at xdp.com today.